The stories numbers tell, making sense of numbers and arithmetic operations. Welcome. I put together these slideshows and activities because I firmly believe that math shouldn't hurt. The lessons are mostly about number sense, understanding what numbers and equations mean. It's especially for people who find working with numbers frustrating or stressful. Lots of these ideas are adaptations from ideas of Dorothy Steinke, who did lots of research about understanding parts and wholes and their role in understanding math. Math is a language with numbers and symbols like plus and percent instead of words. Humans do a lot with symbols because we can think at higher levels. When we see a little red ink, it can make us feel good because of what it symbolizes. What does math mean? Unfortunately, it's too easy to lose track of what math means when things get too long or too complicated or too abstract, not because you can't understand it, but because you don't know how to make sense of it yet. When it loses its meaning, math can symbolize something impossible to get across. But maybe, with a little help, my sister, me, we did it. Math could be something you can get across. My sister-in-law took that picture. We'll break it down. There are rules for calculating with numbers, which are like rules for spelling. They're important. However, just as spelling doesn't tell you what words mean, calculating doesn't tell you what arithmetic means. We'll do calculating. It's important, but we're going to focus harder on understanding what's going on. What will we cover here? This is also in the syllabus. Adding and subtracting in ways you might not have thought of using the ideas of parts and wholes. Then we'll extend that to multiplication and division. Adding positive and negative numbers. We'll extend the ideas of adding, subtracting, multiplication, and division to fractions and decimals. Finally, we'll take a look at what happens when we include variables in the process to solve equations like x plus 2 equals 4. The goal, to be able to use these ideas every day. Yes, you can use this in real life and understand more advanced math ideas better, especially if you take a higher level course later. I'm not finished making the course yet. The classroom version of this course has been going on for several semesters. The online version is still growing. Let's learn some math. There's no reason for it to be dull. You'll meet Gravity, who's in charge of the Mary Ellen Carter Academy, and comments are welcome. There's a blog at that link. It's moderated. Nothing will appear to the public unless you want it to, and Gravity approves. Gravity says, please, give it a try. Your next movie will be Parts and Wholes. And this is the legal stuff. Yes, you can download, share, and change this if you want.